Mr. Frog's attempt to be what he's not. Once upon a time, Mr. Frog had been living happily in his little pond for a number of years. He had every comfort the animal kingdom could provide him with. The calm and clear waters fascinated him every time he opened his protruding eyes. Once in a while, a massive snake used to come and look for food around the pond. During those rare but dangerous occasions, Mr. Frog went deep underwater and hid himself in the mud. One morning, when Mr. Frog was breathing fresh air on the banks of the pond, a hefty visitor greeted him. "Good morning, Mr. Frog. How goes the world with you?" the hefty visitor asked him. "Oh, nothing unusual. I'm leading the same old life. At times I'm getting sick of everything," lamented Mr. Frog. "What's the trouble, Mr. Frog? Can I be of some help to you?" asked the visitor. "You know, I want to be a big animal like you. See my size. I'm not bigger than an egg. That's why nobody cares for me," said Mr. Frog. "Don't worry too much over such problems. If you try hard, you might become a bigger animal," said the hefty visitor, leaving the pond. "Come here, darling," Mr. Frog called his wife. "From today, I'm going to be as big as the hefty animal," said Mr. Frog. "Don't be silly. You are a frog, and he is a fat bull. How can a tiny frog become a fat bull?" said Mrs. Frog, cutting him short. Okay. You never have a kind word for me. Anyway, I'll not give up my ambition to be a bigger animal," said Mr. Frog, breathing in a lot of fresh air. With more air entering his belly, Mr. Frog felt he was becoming a bigger animal. "Look here, see my size now," said Mr. Frog, displaying his bloated belly to his wife. "Nonsense, I don't see any difference. You're still the same old tiny frog," said Mrs. Frog, briskly walking into the kitchen. Mr. Frog breathed in some more air until his chest and stomach became bloated. He took in a little more air, thinking that he could be bigger than the hefty animal. At that time, Mrs. Frog heard something exploding and rushed to see what was happening. She was shocked to see him lying in a pool of blood. Then she realized that he had burst his stomach by filling it with too much air. Moral: acceptance brings peace. Greed brings ruin. Not all that glitters is gold. Stay true to your own strengths. Thank you for your time. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.